April is a lively month in the UK as the weather starts to warm up and the garden comes to life. It's a fantastic time to plant a wide range of vegetables, herbs, flowers and shrubs. Here is a list of plants to plant and tasks to do in April. Please note that this month I've divided the list into the following categories: vegetables, herbs, flowers, fruit, trees and shrubs, and general garden tasks. Vegetables. Potatoes. Plant main crop and second early potatoes in April. These will provide a bountiful harvest in late summer. Carrots. Sow carrot seeds directly into the ground or raised beds for summer and early autumn crops. Peas. Continue to sow peas for a continuous harvest. Dwarf and climbing varieties are good choices. Spinach. Sow spinach for a steady supply of fresh, nutritious greens throughout the season. Radishes. Continue sowing fast-growing radishes. They make a great addition to salads. Lettuce. Plant a variety of lettuce types for a continuous supply of fresh salad greens. Beetroot. Sow beetroot seeds for a late summer and autumn crop. The leaves are also edible and can be added to salads. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is an easy to grow leafy green that can be sown in April. Broccoli and cauliflower. Transplant broccoli and cauliflower seedlings started indoors or purchased from a garden centre or nursery. Herbs. Basil, coriander and parsley. Plant herbs like basil, coriander and parsley in pots or in the garden as they thrive in the warmer weather. Flowers. Annuals. Plant hardy annuals like marigolds, cosmos and nasturtiums for a burst of colour in your garden. Perennials. April is a great time to plant perennial flowers and shrubs to establish them for the growing season. Bulbs. Consider planting summer flowering bulbs like freesia and gladioli for stunning displays later in the year. Continue to deadhead daffodils, but leave the leaves to help the bulbs build up their energy for next year's display. Wildflowers. Sow a wildflower mix to create a meadow-style garden that attracts pollinators. Fruit. Strawberries. Plant strawberry plants or runners for a tasty summer harvest. Raspberries and blackberries. Plant new raspberry canes or blackberry bushes in well-drained soil. Trees and shrubs. Ornamental trees and shrubs. April is a great time to plant ornamental trees and shrubs to enhance your landscape. General garden tasks. Weed control. Keep on top of weed growth to prevent them from competing with your plants. Mulching. Apply mulch to help retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Watering. Ensure that newly planted items receive adequate moisture, especially if the weather is dry. Pruning. Prune spring flowering shrubs once they have finished blooming. Lawn care. Undertake lawn maintenance tasks like mowing, edging, and feeding your lawn. April is an exciting time to start planting different varieties of plants in your garden. It's crucial to monitor local weather conditions and adjust your planting schedule accordingly. Remember to provide proper care and attention to your plants as they grow to ensure they thrive.